All right, we're recording. So, shalom, everybody. Today, I'm not going to do a full out live stream lesson where I chopped up the fourth part of the series that we've been doing on the cult leaders and the profile of cult leaders and how, darkness has worked within that over the years. So, what I want to do today is I'm actually going to post a couple of different documentaries below in the links, and I would encourage you to watch those. I wasn't sure what direction to go on it. And just because of work and other things, I wasn't able to get in and chop the videos up like I have on the first three parts. So a number of you have reached out, asked different questions, said you were doing research on your own. That's awesome. So I figured this would be a good opportunity for everybody to kind of take things that we've covered in the first three parts, look at the scriptures, look at the profile and the steps that we've covered, and then apply those to these last two. One of them is going to be happening in, I think it's in somewhere in Africa. The audio on there, may be a little hard to decipher because of the thick accents, but that's one that you can look at. And then the other one, I forgot what it was, but I'll put it down in the description. There were two that I was looking at, trying to figure out which one I wanted to do. So I'll just give you the full documentaries. You can go in, look at them, study it out, and just be aware of what's happened in the past, so that we don't have issues where we have to be in situations where we repeat or go through those same steps in the future. Okay. So always, my email's in the description if you want to reach out or ask questions, or you can comment down below. But today was just going to be something where, you guys are actually able to take action, studying on your own, and then just take it from there. So hopefully next week, my family's going to be coming into town, but I still plan on trying to do something. It's going to be a different topic. So we'll see how that goes. But Shabbat Shalom to everybody. Enjoy your day of rest if you're able to. If you got to work, that's fine too. But yeah, just want to drop a quick note. I'm closing out this series, but this is homework for you if you want to participate. Okay, it's up to you. All right. So Shalom, and then see you guys next week.